Hello guys, my name is Kaimana Kane, and I'm going to be giving a book review of this man right here, Henry Ford. So I'll give you 3 facts about him right now to, I think it'll help you understand Henry Ford more if you're a beginner of knowing Henry Ford. Henry Fordology. So he was a Midwestern boy who worked on his father's farm, the clever engineer of the world's first mass-produced automobiles, and a successful businessman who changed American industry. So they didn't call these cars at that time, but it's kind of like a bicycle, tricycle, but it's called a quadricycle. I bet you know what it looks like. Quad means 4. Tricycle is like a bicycle, but it has a numerous amount of wheels, and depending on the prefix is how many wheels it has. So I bet the quadricycle he made in his small garage was like this, and from here to here. So he started in his garage, and once he created cars, tiny garage, gigantic factory. From his tiny garage to his gigantic factory. And his original reason why he created cars or quadricycles is because this farmer, when he was young, came up to him and showed him a quadricycle. It says it on the very first page. Well, not the very first. This image could probably tell you all about it, and you should pause the video if you want to read this page. Give you a second. Okay. So he did this for many things. 1, to gain popularity. 2, to help Americans. And 3, a little known fact, you probably didn't know this, but he also used his cars to help in World War I. He made jeeps for American soldiers to go out and fight. And he also helped with a little mechanics on airplanes. I don't want to spoil a lot of stuff to you. I just want to give you main information. So hope you like my book review. Like, subscribe, and try and be one of these guys. Bye.